Hi, Lou Manfedini, Aces Home expert, with some advice on how to remove a rivet. Now, if you've used a rivet like this to join any two pieces of metal or board together, or maybe you have something in your home or business that you have a rivet that you're not quite sure how to take it off, I'm going to show you how easy it is. Now, the way a rivet works is that when two pieces are joined together, they go through the hole like this. This is a little bit smaller, but it goes right there, and you squeeze this together. This pin gets cut off, and what you're left with is this rivet. You can see there's a little washer around there. I'm going to take a drill and a drill bit, and the bit is about the size, a little bit bigger than that interior ring there, and I'm going to go ahead and just drill out and try and cut off that edge there. And so you want to firmly grasp on there and kind of move back and forth to really sort of drill it out. This is, when it's nice and tight, you'll see that it loosens up. And then once you do, it pops out. It all comes off just like that. Now, you may need to use a putty knife or a screwdriver to cut it off there, but no matter where you have a rivet, if you just drill off that top piece, it separates, and that's how you remove a rivet.